Yo, what is going on, everybody? What is up? What is up? We are live per usual. If y'all are tapping in, man, make sure y'all go ahead and state where y'all from. Everybody go ahead and tap in where y'all from. No, we ain't getting no win already. No, that was from yesterday. We actually just caught an L off of GJ. We're gonna talk about that, but I want to know where everybody's tapped in at. Okay, Florida, Louisiana, Philly, Hollywood, Germany. Nice. South Africa, Philippines, Liverpool, and UK, Chicago, West Side. Okay, we got somebody from Chicago. Germany. Okay. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. All right, guys. So, let's talk about what we got going on. So first and foremost, off stream, we did call out a dollar trade, and I know a lot of brokers may or might not have dollar. But we did call out a dollar trade off a 1 minute play. I believe so. Right here, we were so close to hitting the stop loss. But, it decided to go in our favor. So we end up catching that, which was pretty dope, right? And then this morning, I just caught out a GU trade. And unfortunately, it went left. But it really is what it is, because why I'm saying that is because, two, obviously, we got to understand losses for one, right? We're not going to win everything. But the most important thing is that knowing still where market is heading. So for me personally, if I was to look at GJ on a higher scale, like from this swing low to this swing high, I immediately know that my mid range is here, my extreme is here. I will always love market to come to my like extreme possible, like it's really just like the lowest part of the range, because I can have a better position, tighter stop loss, and don't have to worry about it could go further down, because yes, it still can go further down with GJ hitting down here and then heading back up. But I know on a 5 minute scale there was an opportunity. It was just I caught it a little late, and then now we're just basically taking a fall, seeing if it could still tap back up. But I will be looking for re-entries on GJ, so y'all make sure y'all keep me up to part with that for sure. But other than that, let's go ahead. We gotta do our dollar markup. You guys know we gotta follow with the dollar first. Oh, by the way, my account is down because of that trade that I took with GJ. So we're back at $9,500 right now. That was about like a $1,100 loss for me. So we're going to try to get that obviously up, but I'm not intimidated on trying to get it back to where I had it before. Otherwise I would lose more. That's where that part comes in play. All right, guys. So look, dollar, we've been going up. Y'all see, dollar has been going up. And honestly, I don't see why it wouldn't be dropping, because at this point, we got a lot of highs it needs to take out. This liquidity phase that I talked about, I think last week, y'all, it still got to tap up there. And then once it does that, the only area of interest that I see is this area here. So I would love to see market tap up and then come up here. And then also, if you guys look at all my other pairs, if dollar's going to be going up possibly because this is midweek now. So midweek is going up. So if dollar's going to be going up, obviously gold, we can see that drop. That would make sense. Obviously seeing that it is tapping into this area of interest here. GU, same thing. We already been dropping with GU. I haven't really been focusing on it this week. Euro, USD, we might look at some trades with this one for sure, because I like how it's moving. And then USD, not really liking how it's moving. It's been a little choppy. And then yeah, so let's go into Euro. Now you guys see how 1 hour scale, obviously we already broke structure to the downside. Right Y'all see we broke structure to the downside. So basically what I want to see now is my range, right? We talk about this all the time, man. It's simple. This right here would be my only interest in this area, because we got two ranges, right? I'm gonna show y'all where it's at. We got this one, and whenever this ends, I will know, but right now I don't. I just know the beginning because it broke structure. If we create a new high low, let's say we create a new minor high, and the market decides to break structure, then boom, this is now my end range. But this from, let's say theoretically here, that's the bigger range, and this from this is the smaller range. So if this is the bigger range, market can still tap up here and then boom. But let's look at dollar again, because I was actually analyzing this, right? So this right here is the beginning of this part of this impulsive trend, uptrend. I'm just waiting on it to end because I want to catch the pullback, right? Y'all, we already late. If y'all ain't getting anything for a sell, gold has just been choppy because of this crazy news, whatever had happened. Yeah, yesterday was election day. And then here, I just like Euro right now because it's actually moving very well. So I would be stupid if I get in a sell right now. I'm just gonna tell y'all right now, because we already high up. Like, why are we selling or why are we buying when prices are already too expensive where people can afford it? Why are we buying? So this is why I say wait on the pullback. But I know a lot of traders can't do that because they don't have patience. So I'm telling you guys, we gotta wait and see what we get. Guys, make sure y'all hit that like button. Go ahead and hit the like button for me, please. I would appreciate that. Let's get this to 100 likes. And I'm cold, man. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna turn up my heat. 1 second. All right. Cool. Let's get this to 100 likes, everybody. 100 likes. And then two, for those that's new, make sure you subscribe, of course, but also we are doing a $500 giveaway. You have until the end of this week, which is on Friday on the 11th. So if you guys do not have Hanko Trade as your broker, make sure you use that link in the description. That is the only way we'll be able to know who's been profitable for this week. Otherwise, we won't know. So make sure you guys use that link down below. And then, yeah, let's just have a great week. Good morning. Okay, guys, so this is the setup. I don't know if any of y'all have dollar in your broker, but I don't have it with Hanko Trade, but I do have it with Osprey FX. On a 5-minute time frame, we will be looking for a sell. Yes, that is correct. Don't just sell it now. Shout out to everybody that has sold it right now. That was a yeah, my funded doesn't have it. That's cool. If it don't have it, that's cool. We ain't I don't really trade dollar anyway. I just called it out yesterday just because it just looked perfect. Maryland, what's up? Shouts out to people out there. I'm finally home, can pay full attention. That's what's up. Shoots out. Oh wow. All right, so yeah, guys, look, this is what we got. So I want y'all to understand we got to learn how to adapt with range. So guess what? This is a range from here to here. This is a range from here to here. And then that bigger range that I just mentioned earlier was from here to here. How can we tell which range could we rely off of? Well, for me personally, I just keep it very simple. I just look on a higher scale to see what the bigger picture range is, and this is kind of how I see it. And then I kind of just mimic off that. But most importantly, though, my setup is market structure. If I see market structure broke here, pull back, Boom. That's why we always go for a 1-on-1. That's how we have such a high win ratio. Yo, Guns, what's up, man? So let me go ahead and make a note. Guys, let's get this to 100 likes. Let's get this to 100 likes. I'm going to go ahead and make a note here. All right, y'all. So look, right here is where I'm gonna add my alert at. Now I could see also market tapping in here as well, and we possibly could get a move. So I'm gonna add an alert here too. Gold ain't doing much for me right now. It's just Euro. And then for Euro, yeah, guys, for Euro, I will want Euro to let me see. I know y'all can't really see it right now. I will want Euro to come up to these levels right here, or this level right here. All right, y'all. We might have some stuff going on with Nasdaq too, or no, never mind. It wasn't neither. Euro. What the heck? Euro, and then also GJ. Cause I'm looking. GJ is just, I don't know what's going on with GJ right now. Let me go back on my higher scale. Making sense now. This is why you guys gotta make sure you do higher scale and don't stick to the lower scale. This makes perfect sense. All right, check this out. That's why I love doing this. All right, so on a higher scale, we are going up, right? I have to reset the chart so I can show you how I analyze stuff. We are going up on a higher scale. But also with GJ, it's very interesting because if you start zooming out, you're like, but it's consolidating. I get that. But I'm looking at what we got going on here, here, and that. That's it. What we got going on here and here. What's been happening? It's been going up, not going down, not going sideways. In the moment, it's been going up. So I'm going to even delete this too. So that being said, what can we expect is this. If market is still tapping up, what we're getting right now is this minor pullback to possibly head back up. So if we look left and we look at our range, our impulsive trend, That's how I like to figure out where I'm at in the market. I say we got one here. Now, if we get to talking about a midpoint, this is all my midpoint right here. If we get to talking about an extreme, which, you know, is what I like to call it an Elliott wave, wave 2, is literally this down here. And not even that, but if you guys look at this engulfing candle, can also be all of that too. There's so much liquidity buildup. Look right here, all of that. But this is an area of interest for me. This is an area of interest. Can you explain the phases too? Yeah. This is the area of interest right here. So since this is the case, what can happen now is if you look at all of this right here, what do we have? Equal lows. Guys, I talk about liquidity in a lot of my pre-recorded videos of what it is. It's very simple. Don't have to overcomplicate that shit. It's very simple. If you see a pool full of money, what are y'all gonna do? Go to it, right? If y'all go outside and y'all just see a bunch of leaves, that piqued interest because it's all in one spot. So assume that is money. You go outside and you see a bunch of money piled up in one specific area, you're gonna go there. So when I say money is piled up in a specific area, how does that look in market reactions? Equals. When you start seeing double tops, double bottoms, this is why a lot of people say double top, double bottoms doesn't work. Well, when you see a double bottom or double top and then you get in, you try to ride a 1 to 20, but then you realize that it comes somewhere up and then it goes down, then it goes up. Why is that? That's because of the liquidity phase right here. That's why we always make sure we manage a one-on-one trade first, because, you know, we don't want to get that type of reaction. That's why high win ratios is so high, because we focus on risk management very carefully here. So if there's a bunch of money that is being left in a particular spot, obviously the banks are going to go to it. This is how they get rich. This is the saying, the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. I talk about this so very well, where I say, think of what's going on right now in today's economy, where everybody's getting fear because of recessions coming, or inflation, you know, is crazy, or this and that. So everybody's either doing one or two things. They either stocking up on all their assets, or they're selling all their assets because they ain't gonna have money. So let's use the example that you're selling all your assets. Let's use the example that you're selling all your assets. When you sell all your assets, who buys your assets? The people that actually have the money to hold for a recession, like big investors, banks, and all of that. They will buy your asset. And then they bought it at a discount. So now that they bought it at a discount, they know they can make money in it. So basically what I'm getting at the end of the day is, you got to understand the range. You got to understand the liquidity. You got to understand impulsive trends. You got to understand the reaction of market. I trade market structure and price action. If you want to call it whatever you want to call it, that's up to you. I don't care. A lot of this stuff that you guys hear on YouTube is all rebranded, but it all comes back down to the fundamentals of technical analysis, which is market structure and fucking price action. So that being said, with GJ, because I had to go on a little rant real fast. With GJ, we got a possibility of market could do one or two things for sure. I can definitely see that. I'm just trying to figure out my bias. For sure is up though. That's a fact. However, I know that we are still in this bigger range from this low to this high. So not only that, I see there's so much liquidity build up here. It will make sense for market to actually react off of this range, which it just did. If you guys see here, let me delete that. We have this right here and also that right there. So let me go on a 1 hour, make it easier. So I remember yesterday I was talking about this, guys. I was like, yesterday, man, I don't know if market could, I just told everybody, like, yesterday market will come anywhere in these levels because there's too much going on right here. And it seemed like it wanted to react off this one. Perfect. So now that it reacted off that order POI level, order block, whatever you guys want to go with. Notice how market broke structure here. Entry could have been somewhere in there. I think somebody said they sold this based off my analysis yesterday. I don't know. Somebody said something like that. But I missed out on this one. But anyway, market broke through. Now that it broke through, market can still be heading down. So if it does head down, what range could we look at going down? Well, let me go on a smaller scale to try to look for something more aggressive. And I see the only area is this high right here, or this area right here, off of from this move to here. We did create a new range right now, which is this to this. So we could react off that, right? And head down, which actually we're doing now, which would be that move right there. Because on a higher scale, we're going up, but on a smaller scale, we're going down. And if we do go down, it makes sense because the extreme part of this range will be, let me go back on a 1 hour scale. Hold on, guys. My neck's killing me when I'm turning my head like that. Down here. All of this down here. All of that down here. Guys, let's get this to 100 likes. The more y'all like my videos, obviously the more I will stream. We're trying to catch a trade with we're waiting on dollar. I put a signal with dollar. Let me make sure I put an alert. Yeah, I put an alert with dollar. And in euro, we still waiting. Patience is key. But now let's go back to GJ. So with GJ, like I said earlier, right now it's going down. So my bias has to shift. Mental bias. That's the thing that I'm talking about. Mental bias. When I say mental bias, is y'all have y'all will see there's a sell, or y'all have your analysis marked up as a sell, but y'all still mentally ready to buy. That's what I mean. You got to have your mental bias shift, because mental is the key to being a successful trader. Handling that. All right. Yeah, man, GU for a downtrend is looking nice, so I'm gonna have to see what we got on for 1 minute. All right, guys, so I wanted to pull back here. No lie. This is my level of interest. Oh yeah, if we can get this would be a nice one-on-one trade. And then I can ride it all the way down to here, which would be a 1 or 2. And then we can ride it to some other lows. Yeah, this would be nice. All right, so let me change my notes here. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna be waiting on the sell for GJ. Possible sell. Lady Hustle, what's up? Yo, Lady Hustle, she's been like in the community since like Lady Hustle, how long you been in this community? The Solo Network community. Somebody said I just took 20 pips from GJ on the sale. Good start. That's what's up, y'all. Good stuff. I like it. Yeah, we were in it for a buy, but like I said, my mental bias just shift. I swear to gosh, I just shift my mental bias for sales now. It can be that simple, right? Like seriously, y'all, we gotta. Since the beginning, yeah. You've been in this since the beginning. I already know. I'm already knowing. Condones to you, for real. I think you've been there for literally, I think you the only one that's been there damn near day one. And I know you probably seen my growth, and I definitely seen your growth too. Definitely seen your growth too. All right, so this GJ trade, we're gonna wait for it to come back. In this area, that's the only way I would be interested in the sell. Otherwise, I ain't in it, right? Because that's the best positioning for that trade. So we're gonna wait on that one. I'm even going to 30 seconds to look for my entry though. Because once it comes up in this area, it's done with possibly. We got to see though. We got to see. I'm not just going to sell it because it's there. Let's see. My thoughts on gold is nothing right now. It's ranging. It's going. It's just in this big. It's just doing nothing for me. Only way I would be interested in gold is if it breaks out some of these lows. But it's doing absolutely nothing. Euro is the only thing I'm interested in right now. And then let's see Nasdaq. We're gonna go into Nasdaq too, guys. Let's do Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is it was I didn't understand it at first, but now I'm getting it. It's just too choppy. But it is dropping. However, if we go on the 4 hour, what was going on? Yeah, it's dropping. It's obviously it's been dropping, it's dropping, right? However, one thing that I see here is that we have these lows right here. I know it wants to come tap out, right? Grab some of these lows right here. And then as it's doing that, because I still want it, as you guys see right here, a lot of people didn't see this. There's literally an order block right there. That's a POI level. I wanted to tap up down here and then continue to shoot down. That's a fact. Because if we go to VTI, oh wow, we had a gap. Yeah, well, VTI has been dropping, and it's going to drop, and it already tapped into my level of interest. This is perfect. So yeah, guys, I think we're good with NAS now for some sales too. Yep. Draw my fills real fast. I look in between here to see look left. I see some interest over here as well. But go back to Nasdaq. Oh, sorry, not Nasdaq. Let me go on a 15-minute first. But there's a gap. And usually with VTI, it fulfills these gaps very often. And then it shoots back down. So we'll see. So yeah, Nasdaq, guys, I'm looking for some sales. Just not right now. Let's figure out our range first. Don't just get in something you don't know what you're doing. So, oh, this is easy. Midpoint here. Extreme here. My overall area of interest has got to be up here. But I'm going to have both areas aligned just in case, because all I'm going to see is market could tap in, break that structure, and then boom. Tap in, break that structure, and then boom. So, yep, that's what it is. Euro, we're still waiting. Oh, let me put my alert on Euro right here. I got alerts all over the place, y'all. I'm not, GU, I don't have anything interesting for GU right now. At least I haven't did a full analysis. I'm not trying to bounce on everything. I've been doing thoughts on gold, and there's nothing for gold. Like I said, our interest right now, let me go ahead and mark this down. Waiting on dollar to drop to my POI level around, waiting on GU to come back. And then let me put the Euro. Y'all see dollar just can't hit a level. Now look what's going on with Euro. We're gonna say tap into 1.00450. So yeah, we just tapped into this level right here. The one I want to see though is this level down here, these areas down here. Also, we got GJ going up. Like I said, I want that to happen. We're not doing NAS Euro. We went on that up move. Oh, it's doing this liquidity phase. I know somebody told me to talk about it now. Hold on, I'm gonna talk about it now since I see it happening. What's this liquidity phase? The liquidity phase is where it does this manipulation game. So like right here, you see how I grab liquidity first, going what, down? Oh yeah, I'm feeling good right now, man. I feel like we about to get a couple wins now. So liquidity is dropping, right? And then as liquidity is dropped, it basically took, wow, I'm sorry, I can't even talk right now. It took liquidity going down. Now I'm looking on it to tap up into this liquidity. As you guys see, we now building up more liquidity here, going up. Now as it grabs this liquidity, it usually comes into a POI level, point of interest, or you guys can call it any high, any low. That's another way I look at it. We can tap into my midpoint from this, or my extreme, which is really all of this right here. So let's see. I always like for market to tap into my extreme. So let's put an alert up here. And then let me go ahead and put this in the notes. So for anybody that is coming in now, you guys know what is going on. Okay, so now we just tapped into this. This is where we can start looking for the setup, not selling it. Looking for a setup. We're not selling anything right now. What y'all saying in the comments? Gold's pushing up now. We're not interested in gold right now. I'm bullish. Thoughts on gold. Oh, that's no. About to hit. Gold pushing in. So GU, I use a sell limit. Pretty sure you heard what I just said about that one. I know we all like trading gold, but right now, I got my eyes on some other stuff right now. Euro, I wanted to tap up here, but hey, we're gonna see. So with Euro, this is the setup. And just put it here, break out of the low, pull back, and then sell it. Same thing with not GU, GJ. Create a low, break that, and then boom. Usually sometimes I trade the breakout too. So we got to wait on a low to form first, and then boom. You gotta trade what you see, not what you think. That is a fact. Don't make that mistake. Oh yeah, we tapped into my extreme now. Oh, or no, not chat. This is just me keeping my eye. Okay. Thought we did. I forgot I put my alert up here. All right, now we coming into my levels that I want us to tap into. Oh. So dollar or gold, everybody keeps talking about gold, but there's nothing going on with gold. I'm so like, there's nothing going on with gold. There's not. Unless y'all taking 15-second entries. Yo, Anthony, you always reminding me, man. I appreciate that though. right, so yeah, we got our eye on dollar dropping to our POI level around 109.950. We waiting on GJ to come back into the area which it is, and we're waiting on Euro to tap into our other POI level as well. Like right about now, it's about to get real nice for Euro. Just waiting on it to come back up, create a low first, and then we in. I'm not just gonna sell it right now. I'm gonna wait on it to create a low, come back up, just like this right here. That confirms that we're in the right POI level. I see GU's doing good too. Same thing with GU though. Everything's all gonna be the same, guys. This is my extreme. It tapped in my extreme. I just need a low to form. Come back up, and then boom, get in for another sell. Let me put these two down here right now. Put this one up here. I'm gonna take out ARC because I have not been trading that lately. What's this? GU? Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, GU's dropping for sure. Look at that. Y'all see that, right? Dollar must be going down, yeah. That's why we wait. So rest in peace to everybody that said forget you E. I'm about to tell it right now. Shake my head. I know there's somebody out there too. I swear there is. So I'm gonna delete this one because now this isn't going to be invalid. I'm now looking at some of these levels up here. Let me delete this before y'all think I'm in a sell right now. I'm not in a sell. GU, we definitely tapping into this level for sure. GJ, gosh, Lee, we ain't getting no shit. Goodness gracious. Here we go. Right now we have no crazy news going on. It's just the time right now. Everything is minor news. Yeah, only reason I'm not interested in gold is because of all of this right here. I'm looking for a longer play of action. While everybody else is playing the game of just scalping it, like smaller scale, that's cool. But I'm just looking on a bigger scalp move. Like, let me elaborate on that. Like, I want to see my setup play out very well. That's just really what it is. All right, guys. So look, I want y'all to see what's going on right now with Euro first, and then we're gonna work our way down. So Euro seems that this all is our range now. It just came into my extreme on a higher range, which is all I need to now see. Now I like to just zoom in on it 1 minute, even 30 seconds to start looking for these lows like here. Form it, let it pull back, and then boom, breakout. We're going to sell it. Same thing with GU. GJ, guys. Gosh, Lee. If I enter right now, it's like... Yeah, I'm trying to catch GU when it's like chilling right now. It's just dropping. It's so choppy on the 30 seconds. My TP is gonna be resting here. All of this here. I'm waiting on this 1 minute to play out. Candle. It's so choppy. I'm waiting on mine golfing, y'all. Damn, my phone is going off with these alerts. I'm waiting on them golfing, y'all. Alright, we're gonna come back to this one. New lows just formed. Nice. I'm putting an alert right here, y'all, for GU. GJ is really choppy right now. Like, if y'all actually pay attention, this is all what's going on right now. It's very, very choppy right now. I'm surprised a lot of people don't trade Euro. But with GU, yeah, we got some nice play of action going on. I almost want to put my stop loss above this high though. Actually, I need to. That's the proper. Where's my 1-on-1 trade, y'all? Oh, that's resting right there at them lows. Perfect. Yeah, we already did our markup for this one. This is the bigger range that I see. TP2 is going to be here. TP3 is going to be in there. I'm going to confirm it in a little bit. Yeah, I'm about to get in GU once this candle close. No, I don't want no buy limit. Sell it. Yeah, I'm tapping in GU. Yeah, I'm currently in GU right now. Y'all see dollar just tapped into some areas for sure. We got a lot going on with dollar right now. It's so choppy. I said where I'm currently at right now with GU. All of that stuff that you see right there. Dang it, right there. That's what I'm doing with GU. But we're gonna see how this one plays out, y'all. We're gonna see how this one plays out. Yeah, this is so choppy. Guys, let's get this video to 200 likes. This is Nasdaq right now. We just tapped into some of these levels. I still wanted to see it break structure first before I get in anything. Yes, sir. Let's get this to 400 likes, man. I like that energy. Let's get this to 200 likes, y'all. 200 likes. Everybody keeps asking me for my GU trade. It's I'm telling y'all. Wait, hold on. Let me look what I'm looking at. Telling y'all, it's right there. It's literally right over there. Where I'm currently selling it to. Hit that like button. Hit that like button. Nasdaq, like I said, Nasdaq, we're going to keep our eye open. We got two levels it can tap into. My main level that I'm very interested in is actually up here. Stop loss above here. And we're going to sell it to these levels down here. This is the level I want it to come up to. But I'll be thinking of if I say let's just buy it now. That'd be the wrong thing to do. At least for my strategy, the way I look at market. Somebody said in there like swimwear. 200 likes. Can we get this to 300 likes? Can we get this to 300 likes? Oh, y'all asking me for something? GU. My stop loss is around here. Hold on. We just tapped in another extreme level off of a range from here to here. Yo, thank you for the subscribe. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. We also gonna keep our eye open on NAS. For those that's new to my channel, I am literally in the process of turning a $4,000 account into 40K. We were up to show y'all my history, but we dropped today with the 1100 L on GJ for a buy, right? So that was the L that I took for the day. But so far, we're doing still good, y'all. So, yep. We'll keep our eyes open. I appreciate you for liking Perform DJ too. I appreciate you for subscribing. Yeah, guys, if dollar's going to remain strong, obviously everything else will be dropping. Right now with GU, this one, we got two ranges. We got this range to here. We also did a range from here to here. Also, we did a liquidity phase. I'm just now seeing. Liquidity phase is here. We grab liquidity here. I see that we got this high right there. We just tapped in liquidity there too. So if dollar can remain strong, then let's see what we can get for everything else. Wait, hold on. This is funny. This comment right here. It says, my wife, what? My wife gonna leave me if I don't get in a trade and make some money today. Cash beats. Somebody said, do not trade in. Let's see. How many signals do you send out per day on the VIP? It really varies, man. I try to at least get 3. I try to do 2 to 3, but I don't force anything. Like last week, we did real good. If I'm not mistaken, somebody can correct me. I don't know if we had 1L or not. The week before that, we did real good too. Oh my gosh, y'all, hold on. Wait. I gotta see what we got. Fuck, I'm about to get out. Fuck it. I should have gotten 2 trades. I'm out. Holy shit, I'm out. I should have gotten another trade. Fuck. Excuse my French. But damn, I should have gotten another trade. TP1 is still there, but I just got out though. I said, fuck it, I'm out. We smashed TP1, y'all. We just smashed TP1. TP1 smashed. Y'all see, like, hey, look, I'm being so authentic with y'all when it comes to me trading live, man. If y'all been following me for so long, everybody say, yo, you need to start trading live because I don't believe what you say in your video. So I said, all right, I'm gonna start. But I had to develop this first because there's gonna be a lot of people going against you when you trying to trade live. Like everybody's telling you, oh, don't get in now, or oh, sell it, or oh, buy it. So you try to shift your mental bias based off what they say, but nah. What I was basically saying is that sometimes I get in a trade and I'll be like, oh, close to TP, but I still tap out though. Especially with brokers, man. Some brokers is just be like, you see it hitting TP, and then it's not closing your trade out. I've seen that happen a number of times. I'm just like, come on, bro. All right, guys, so let's move to stop loss to break even if you still riding this trade. If you got a funded account, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I would take 50% out right now and let the other ride. because I do this with my funded account. But my personal account, I'm in and out. I am in and out. So currently selling GU around All right, guys, if you had made money off this trade, go ahead and drop the fire emoji and like the video. Like the video. We're going to try to catch another one. I needed that one, though. I ain't even gonna lie, I definitely needed that one. I know some of y'all's entries might be a little different from mine, so yeah. Oh my God, look at this one. Damn, that one did beautiful, y'all. We missed that. That's what happens. We can't get in everything. We can't get in everything, and that is okay with me. That is okay with me, as long as we can get in something. And right now it's GU. Damn, we got a lot of people that caught this one. Wow. That's fire. I love it. Y'all, let's get this to 300 likes now. After that, we got to get this to 300 likes. We got to get this to 300 likes. It's like when I go live, shit just get crazy. We got to get this to 300 likes, y'all. Come on. I do stream daily except for Fridays. I leave Fridays only for my VIP members. That's what I actually decided to do moving forward. Do you trade London session? Yeah, I do. I do. All right, y'all. GU's we can't get in this one. It did what it needed to do. So, yep, we ain't catch that one. Gold is doing this thing, which is consolidating, but it consolidates very well. I love gold, man. This is why I like gold. Is more number one right now, but it's just haven't been any clear setups for me. Let me say that it just has not been any clear setups for me. But I do see something though. Only thing is about me, I feel like if I get anything for scalping for gold, it's going to be risky right now, because like I said earlier, but a lot of people don't want to listen, is that we got all of this liquidity here. That's one. Here, that's two. Here, that's three. I don't know which one it's going to react off of. I don't like that. That's just how my strategy works. That's how I analyze it. So there's nothing for gold for me. Yes, gold is very risky right now. And I promise you, if anybody out here saying, oh, it's going to go up, it's going to go down, scalping right now, they're guessing. There's just no way. I mean, I'm not knocking nothing down or nothing. I'm just saying, how are y'all figuring this out? It's cool. Yeah, y'all see breakup structure and all. I get that. But I'm telling you right now, that's why I got this big gray box right here, because all of this is areas of interest where market could just do all of this. All of this. So if you making money on gold right now, congrats to you. But like I said, for me personally, once it drops this low right here, it's done. Now I know what's up. So let me put an alert right there, because once it drops this low, we talking. And if it breaks out this high, now we talking. But inside here, ain't nothing interesting. Holy crap, what the hell just happened with this one? We still in GU though. Oh my gosh, are we about to hit TP2? I'm out though, but I'm pretty sure a couple y'all already riding this. If you're in a funded account, this is a ride for you. Ride this jump. It wasn't letting you exit out. I tried catching. Oh man, hey, if it's not letting you exit out, that's cool. You in it now. Hold that joint. It's trying to play you. So play it back. You said, do I have a link? No, I don't. I'm not sure what you mean. SL to TP1, break even, move your stop loss to break even. Wait, what? I'm confused, Frank, on what you're saying. SL, stop loss to TP1. Oh, move a stop loss to, my bad, my gosh. You can always just move it to break even a little profit. At this point, do whatever you want. Just make sure the trade is risk free. That's all I'm gonna say. Just flip 500 to 2K, waiting on liquidity, grab on NAS, and target. Like hearing that cash out for life, that's what's up. That's what's up. Made 1,200 getting out when you did. I was nervous to hold it. That's what's up. You made 1,200 riding it to hell. So you gonna keep riding it. I don't care. Y'all just make the trade risk free. At this point, you should not have no trauma, or you shouldn't have no anxiety attacks with GU. And if you do, then you greed right now. That's greed. That's something else. That's something else. That's all on you. But other than that, this trade should be risk free for everybody that's riding it right now. Just move your stop loss to break even. We all should be entered somewhere around here. And we had no drawdown yet. So just move your stop loss to break even. Or a little profit. Yeah, Nasdaq is just shooting down. I ain't even get my setup anyway. So, yeah. Everything's shooting down all at once, which is making it really hard for me to analyze. It's kind of why I don't like having Euro, GU all at once. Gold, I like to do like Nasdaq, Euro, and then gold. But goodness gracious, yeah, we already missed out on Euro, USD as well. We're so into this one, which is doing good. How can you get my shoes? My shoe line. Right now we're in production right now. Actually, I have to close down the store because we have to still get our development going, or the warehouse to get everything going for that. So I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Thank you. Thank you for the support though, but I'll keep you posted. Reason why everything's going down is because dollar's strong. Like I said, we want to get out of this liquidity right here, come up to this POI level right here. Nasdaq is going to tap down to this level of interest down here, or this these lows down here. Since we missed out on Nasdaq, we could see another opportunity. Let's see. Let me delete this so y'all don't think I'm in a Nasdaq trade right now. So I got two ranges right now. This, and then this. If I see this as my range, remember I say this all the time. Every range should be 5 waves. That's the theory. I don't want y'all to be like, oh, that's not true. That's the theory. Elliott wave theory, right? Developing in the 1800s. Like Wyckoff theory, developing in the 1800s, which everybody is rebranding into smart money concept trading. But what I'm getting at is, at the end of the day, we got a range. Here to here. If I want to find my midpoint on here, I just hit on a 15 second, 13 second. and I see that we really don't have much. So that kind of tells me that maybe this is my mid and this is my extreme. So let me go back, and we are going to mark this area because I will want it to tap back up here. It can even tap right in here and shoot down as well. So let's go ahead and put an alert for Nasdaq. Let it tap in here first and see what we can get, and then we'll go ahead and keep our eyes open. Wow, you made 6K cashed out in less than 20 minutes. I love it. That's what's up, man. Y'all, let's get this to 300 likes. Let's get this to 300 likes. By the way, if y'all not tapped into the Discord, make sure you guys join the Discord. The link is literally pinned up there. I need everybody to join the Discord right now. We got over 400 people watching this. I need all 400 people to join the Discord if you haven't already. And then there's a free section where I want all of y'all to go ahead and send y'all charts. We do chart reviews. I do chart reviews. I analyze everybody's charts. I try to at least do 3 to 4. I don't do as much. So I need all y'all to literally join the Discord. Tap in now. Link is up there. And go into the section where it says community signal / chat and post y'all charts. Post y'all charts. I use Hanko Trade. Oh, y'all, we just smashed TP2. Stop playing with us. We on a run right now. This right here. This is a VIP signal right here, and I'm giving this out for free. And I ain't getting the likes that I want. I'm gonna have to stop. Y'all, we gotta get this to 350. 300, 350, 300. Let's see. So we just smashed TP1. TP1 and TP2 already smashed. At this point, y'all could do whatever y'all want with this trade. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Do whatever y'all want. Keep riding it to TP3 if you want to, or just get out. At this point, this is beyond risk free right now. This is beyond. So yeah, at this point, y'all can do whatever y'all want. I'm gonna just go ahead and put around how many pips we got so far? About 70, about 50 for sure. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Try to give quality calls for sure. I appreciate that. Thank you, man. Nasdaq, we're still waiting on that tap up here. Dollar's still remaining strong. We love it. That's what we want to see. I ain't expected to do this, but it's doing it. It's doing it. Y'all appreciate for everybody subscribing. Appreciate y'all for subscribing. So for everybody that's joining in, tapping in now, my goal is to turn my $4,000 account into 40K. I don't have a set time, day, or anything, or weeks. I'm just trying to show you guys how I handle my trades on and off the charts. You know, if you are obviously not tapped into VIP, then you really won't get the full scoop of what we got going on. Like I said earlier, unfortunately, we took an L. It is what it is. We take L's. We took an L in the VIP, but we did call a W in the live. So right now, my account is up at 10,000, and yeah, that's what it is, guys. If you ever want to join that information is down below as well. I'm actually have to pin that too. And then on Fridays, I do not go live on here, but I do But I do go live. Moving forth, I'm actually going to start going live on Fridays only to my VIP, just because I just want to make sure like we are, you know, for those that take the time to actually want to learn additional, gotta come through. All right, so let's get this video to 350. While we sit here, let's see if anybody send their charts. Let's get this to 350. VTI is on this thing where it is dropping for sure long term. We tapped into my range from this high to that low. Liquidity phase was this right here. Got one and then two. Now we should be looking for the drop. It did it again. Or no, sorry, it did not do it again. Sorry, I'm lying to y'all. I thought it did. I was looking at something else. Thought this was the low and that was right there. VTI is dropping. Nasdaq, US30, S&P should be dropping as well. I'm not trading, Xavier, I don't do Bitcoin. Am I reviewing charts? Yes, I am. I seen you actually just send yours too. So I'll look at that in a bit. Does dollar affect Bitcoin? Yeah, it does. But I've been seeing off. I just been seeing inconsistency with that lately. I used to have crazy Bitcoin trades. I mean, for 3 weeks straight, y'all, we had took no L's with Bitcoin. I was using all Elliott wave at that time. And then something happened where, y'all know the crazy stuff was going on with the Bitcoin. This was like last year. Yeah, I was on a streak with Bitcoin. And I tried to get back on that same grind. I was just like, yo, it's not doing it no more. Like, what? If you just joined, man, what's up, man? I'm glad you just joined, recently just joined. That's what's up, man. That's what's up. Can anybody tell me our win ratio right now for the live trades? 13-2. What is that? That's say 80%, right? 80-some% or 70-something. I think it's 80-some%. Where's my math teacher? Where's Guns at? I don't trade anything out of the ordinary that is not on my, as you see, all right here. Okay, so we got 86, 87. So we're going to say with 86. 86. That's pretty cool. Like I said, damn, this guys are demanding. He's saying how people ask me what, I don't know. I am doing chart reviews. I need everybody to send their chart reviews. I'm only going to do 3 though. I got 1 so far. Agent, I see you also tapped in the community too, so you can go ahead and drop yours. Right, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. We should be at 400 likes right now. We got 400 people right now. T Will, what's going on, brother? Go ahead and drop that likes. We gotta get this to 400. Well, Edward, you said, hey man, you're the best. I invested this week $300, and with your strategy now, I'm at $900 on your account. Fire, man. Drop that fire emoji for that. That's fire. I like hearing that. You said USD CAD. Y'all are demanding. I don't have that on my chart. I had it, but I don't. Whatever y'all see right here, all that on the side, that's what I look at. I ain't going out the ordinary. That's what I look at. Really, my top 3 is gold, Nasdaq, and GBP yen. Those are really my top 3. Like I said, gold is really it's risky as hell right now. I needed to break out that low, and then we can kind of see what's going on. What I think about GJ, we were supposed to be in a GJ trade. But we was too caught up in GU that we missed out on this. This would have been another winner too, but hey, I can't lie to y'all and say, oh yeah, we got another winner because I didn't get in it. Or I didn't say I was going to get in it, but I just got too caught up with the other trade. The only comment on GU is that we're still in it for some. Looking to ride it to here. Right now, we already cashed out 50 pips. I end up making 800 off that 1-to-1 trade. I just left it alone. And I know some people still in, like, Jam, is that Jam? Yeah, Jam, you still in it? Yeah, we see GU's pulling back. Don't get scared. If y'all nervous about this trade, like I said, y'all really got to work on y'all discipline on greed, because at this point everything should be risk free. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all too. I see a range happening again. Like, even if I wanted to re-enter, which I'm not, my re-entry would have been right here. If it comes back up there, I can just look for another re-entry. Dump and pump and dump. For streaming software, I use OBS, and also I use OBS Streamlabs. I'll use OBS Streamlabs to show the comments, which I haven't even did it yet, or to show y'all's chats, that's the only thing I'll use it for. But I have not used Streamlabs physically, but I do have it. We'll use it soon. Yeah, you said you cashed out 7 bands on GU and GJ. That's what's up. Like I said, Nasdaq, Nasdaq, I wanted to tap up here and then boom. Hold on, y'all. Let me turn on this heat again. Hold up. All right, y'all, let's see. Thing is, I still wanted to come to my extreme. Like, that's just how I see it. It's a better position for me. Way better position for me. So let's see. Let's let it come here first, midpoint. Let's go USD. Let's do USD yen, guys, because this is something I like trading too. I delete that because we already had happened a while back. Gang, y'all going crazy on the comments, bro. Chill, chill, chill. Somebody said that's cap on what he made. All right, man. Let's go into UJ. So USD yen. First, let me look at the yen. Cause I think yen. Yeah, what we got going on with yen? I'm gonna delete this. This is all old news. Yeah, yen is strong. Loud of the music, please. Let's see. Hold on, y'all. Yen. So we're just going sideways. I mean, that's for sure. There's a bunch of this going on. Do see it going up though. Overall though, we're going down though, but as far as us, because we scalpers, I do see up. And then dollar is up too. So it must mean yen gotta be up. Yeah, I mean yen is always strong, but let's see. We got a liquidity phase thing that had just happened. We grab liquidity up first. So we grabbed liquidity going up, and then we took liquidity going down. It seemed like, I don't know if it really tapped into this. It seemed like it did tap into our point of interest. That's fire. So yeah, I see USD yen definitely shooting up. I mean, for sure. Other level that I see of interest is here. Going on 1 minute to refine it a little bit more. Right in here. I would like for it to come into all of this. You could definitely look for some buys for yen. Hell, let me see something. What we got on the higher scale? We got a high right there and a high right there. Yeah, this is beautiful. Oh, this makes sense actually. Okay. Put an alert. I'm about to put an alert on yen, USD yen. Guys, smash the like button. Smash the like button. yo, chill. Y'all going crazy on the chat right now. Y'all going crazy on the chat. We said we got a live Adana account. Real account. You would not be the one in this live stream. Oh my God. Chill, y'all, chill. Let's see if anybody sent their markups while we wait. All right, we got some markups here. Cool. Let me say how much they made on a random live stream. LOL. Okay, guys. All right, so let's any specific? Why do you mark that your POI? Ash, I believe. Yeah. Mark this my area because, like I say, when I talk about impulsive trends, which is I look at it as Elliott wave terms. You have a mid and an extreme. An Elliott wave, for my Elliott wave traders, that is wave 4, which is the pullback, and wave 2. So if I was to show you guys visualization of it, basically what it is this right here. Wave 2 is that pullback, and then wave 4 is that pullback. So usually what happens is with Elliott wave, it will come to one of these levels, right? It will do a 1, 2, 3 going up. Usually tap in wave 4 or wave 2, and then it will do a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. That's the cycle of Elliott wave. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's why this area is interest, and also this one we already tapped in, because this is my range. Wave. This could be wave 2, and this could be wave 4. Yo, let's get them likes up. We got some drama going on. We all know how this goes when drama happens. Everybody wants to watch, so we gotta get the likes up. That's sad to say, but that's so true. Y'all know this. Y'all are funny, man. I love it. If y'all not on the if y'all not watching my chat right now, y'all gotta tune in. We all grown folks here, so I'm not gonna say, "Oh, let's stop." We all here to make money though and learn, man. At the end of the day, right? We're not here for the drama though. If we were here for the drama, we could be watching news right now or something else. There is no entry right now on GU rather than riding it. I did say if I was to look for a re-entry, it would be here, but I'm not getting in it. I don't like to get in the same trade again, because every time I do that, I always end up losing my investment, my investment that I initially made, or my return that I initially made off my investment. So it's just kind of like, yeah, you know what, forget it. So right now, Nasdaq, we're waiting on Nasdaq to tap in here, and UJ as well. Same thing with Euro. I'm not getting in any of these two because they all correlate. Euro, GBP, USD, even gold sometimes, but gold still waiting on it to break out this low. But we could have a nice buy though, guys. We could probably have a buy if we can break out of this for sure. We can buy. I do see that come in like a 15-second entry. Y'all still talking about this on the chat, in the chat, huh? Let's see. Hit the thumbs up. Let's get this to 400 likes. Earn living. Appreciate that. Please, let's get this to 400 likes while we wait on market reactions. Yes, Nasdaq. Let's go. He said he just started trading. AK, you said he just started. AK, the young bull. Dude, you're completely obviously. Let's talk his trades. Let's all take a trade on NAS. Hit the thumbs up. Exactly. Point proven. How do I join the private room? The link is pinned in the chat. If you go in the chat or in the description. Man, these people here are hating as fuck, bro. That's that. I hope y'all ain't hating on me, cause all I'm doing is giving y'all just free gems right now. Yeah, GJ, we would have had that one, but like I said, we missed out on it, and it is what it is. I'm more interested now on NAS and USD yen. All right, so while we wait on things to happen, Neil, you send a chart. We can go into yours. Let's see. What is this? This is, oh, bro, I have no idea what this is. I don't even see it up here. Is this Nasdaq? Okay, I appreciate it. Oh, this is German. Okay, DXY. Okay, DAX. Okay, bet. All right. Where did your chart go? So I like this. You got your range. I see we got a range from this swing low to this swing high. I wish I knew what time frame we were on. It looks like maybe 15 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that around there. Hour. But anyway, don't matter actually. I see you got the range. This is perfect. I see that you had a POI from here. I would consider this my midpoint. Extreme, it can even tap down further, but I like this setup because it's very simple, very clean. I see we got liquidity that been taken, so we can definitely see liquidity being taken out this high. So this is a perfect markup, perfect entry if you are looking to enter around here. This is really good. It's super clean, man. It's really clean. Somebody said they're risking 100% on their account. God dang. Just risk 100% on their account. Woo. You must know how to gamble. Coco. All right. Okay, we got a little things going on here. Oh wait, what's that? Okay, so we just tapped in, so let's keep an eye open. Still look at this chart though. So you got midpoint extreme POI. I love it. I promise y'all, if y'all hear anybody else say midpoint or extreme, they got it from me. Shout out to a student of mine I'm teaching, Jordan. I don't know if he's tapped in here, but he came up with the extreme. And I was like, yeah, bro, I got to stick with that. So I'm telling y'all right now, if y'all catch somebody else saying that, they got it from me. Since we all want to brand everything, this is my brand. I'm gonna stop playing with y'all, man. All right. So I see that we got, y'all got to tell me what y'all trading. I don't know what y'all trading. Regardless of what you trading, I see you got a lot going on, but I can understand where you would be at because you marked it up, obviously, and I can kind of get it where you're at. So I see we got a range from here to here. I see you got red dots, so I don't know if that's the range that you spot. Midpoint is exactly roughly here. Extreme is here. So this is perfect. I see you got your lines. This is liquidity being grabbed. So this will be liquidity phase one, grabbing it, going down. And usually when it taps down first, that means market is still going to trail down. Not always accurate, but that's usually the case. And also I see up here, you have liquidity here. Also, you can call this break of structure, whatever y'all go for. I say the same thing, man. But either way it goes, we see it tapped out, break out of this high. But as it broke out of this minor high, it tapped into our extreme right here. This is our extreme. So then, boom, right? First TP would have been resting at this low. You could take TP all the way down here. This is beautiful. Midpoint. This is beautiful. I love it. Super clean, super simple. No indicators. I love it. That's gold. Oh, this is gold. Okay. This is fire. 5 minute too, huh? Or what is this? All right, guys, let's go back to UJ real fast before I go into the next chart. I'm not in nothing yet right now, just to let y'all know. We're still waiting on a new structure to form, a new low, or new high, sorry. Everybody, let's get this to 400 likes. Let's get this to 400 likes. Earn living. I mean, I appreciate you for it. Bop, man. Keeping it on it for me, man. Appreciate that. If you guys want to tap more into my VIP, yes, that information is linked up top. Let's get this to 400 likes. 400 likes. We got 500 people watching right now. What's my view on candle closures? You gotta, I ain't even gonna lie. A lot of this stuff that a lot of people say with the terms, I might not know. Are you talking about like when a candle closes, engulfing candles? I do Zoom calls VIP. Solo, you tell them if you go all in on a trade or all the trades going in your favor, don't you think 2K is too much to just get, why y'all put me in something right now, man? Y'all put me on spot right now. I'm going to just say this, man. When you get in a trade, know your risk. That's all I'm going to say. I don't care if you're risking 100%, which is very extreme and ridiculous. But just saying this, I don't care what you're risking. Just know your risk. Just know your risk. I have the calculator out for anybody that's wondering what to use. There's a calculator out. that you can figure out what to risk. So right now I got a $10,000 account. And when I actually first started trading, I was risking about 10 to 15% per trade. So I was risking about $600. Right? But just know your risk. Know your risk. I mean, obviously, if you're risking 100%, that's a little crazy, because if that trade goes left, which you would never know, is over for you. So I would never do that. All right, y'all. So let me change my. So y'all see right now, GU just came at break even. If you wanted to ride TP3, but hey, you ain't lose nothing. But we did cash out, so let me change my bias on, or sorry, my notes, because we're going to be looking at UJ right now. Hey, Nasdaq's doing its thing. We missed out on that buy, but it is what it is. I didn't really care for that buy anyway. The buy would have literally been right there too. Y'all see that little boom right there? 30-second entry, golfing candle right there. These are trades that I take. That's my strategy. That's simple. One-on-one trade, TP1. I always try to at least go for 1 or 2 for TP2. And then boom. It's going to be the exact same thing here. Wanted to come up here. This is my goal. This is my goal. But we don't move the market. We are all retail traders. Cool. We got this to 400 likes. I appreciate that. Definitely will be pushing for 500 next. Solo, when I say candle closure, I meant when you wait for the candle to close after breaking previous candles. I figured that's what you meant. I just, sometimes people use these terms that they either make up or they get from some other trader, and they think every other trader should know because they're experienced. But yeah, no, yeah. I wait on the candle to close. Yes. I just wasn't sure if you meant that or if you meant something else, like a strategy or something, because I swear, man, somebody asked me a question and I was completely off, and I was like, oh, well, shoot, my bad. I never heard that name before. Something somebody came up with, rebrand. Yeah, 450 likes. Let's get it. Yeah, we waiting on this trade, y'all. So Nasdaq. Oh, golly. Let me see, what time do I have? I need a new low to form. If it forms a new low like here, that'll be perfect. I just want a better position for this trade if we end up taking a trade off of this minor midpoint. UJ, we still waiting on structure to break to the upside now. So let me put an alert here, because we can still tap down on UJ. Yes, sir. T Will, we got that 4 piece. We got that 4 piece. So y'all, we waiting on Nasdaq, and I put an alert for UJ. So once my alert is tapped, that's when I know our signal possibly is we will be ready and to enter in for a buy. But right now, we're gonna play the patient game. We're gonna have to see what's going on with Nasdaq. He says GJ is about to go. Tap into the extreme. I gotta go in 30 seconds. 15 seconds. Gosh, Lee, there we go. All right. 1 minute played out through that low. All right, y'all. I think I'm about to get a Nasdaq. This is gonna be risky. Just because it's not coming in up and extreme. So I'm gonna take a small lot size. Guys, I don't correlate gold with Nasdaq. I don't correlate none of that. I look at VTI to give me my correlations with that. I don't do none of that. Nope. So here, y'all, I just took a small trade with Nasdaq. Like I said, I took a small one. Light work. Y'all, 450 likes. 450 likes. Let's get it up. Let's get it up. Yo, you be in profit now, but Nasdaq is one of those. You be in profit, then check, and you out of profit. So yeah, we gonna have to wait. What is UJ doing? Excuse me. Gosh, y'all keep telling me check gold. I swear I'm trying to tell y'all there's nothing going on with gold in my eyes. Dollar's doing this little drop. That's why we getting this drop. We are not in Euro. We're only just doing Nasdaq right now, but we're not in USD yen right now. We're just trying to see if we can get structure to form, which this is the high right now, but there is a new high that's forming. So yeah. You said, do I think you let's see, GU will currently sell? Yeah, 100%, because if you look, we still got some levels that it want to come tap back up. Like we could still see GU still coming up there and then coming down for sure. Because even if it comes to my extreme, that's when I will consider re-entering. Like I said, I don't like doing that on a I don't like, because every time I tend to do that, it's just like I lose the money, you know. So and we are in NAS as well as waiting on USD yen to make a play. Y'all make sure y'all drop that like, drop that like, drop that like. Yeah, you could have definitely got a better entry off of UJ, because we waiting on that one. We definitely waiting on that one. The book I was using, it's called Wave Principles, and a lot of self-taught, especially Google. I appreciate y'all for getting this video to 450, man. That's love. That is love. That is love. Oh, you know what? Let me see. Yeah, currently we in Nasdaq sell. I'd hated my position. I got in a little late on Nasdaq, man. So my drawdown is crazy right now. Actually, it's not, because I got in a light lot size, like I mentioned. But it's crazy because it's just like I said. I like to position myself almost just right. You know, it's crazy. I don't think nobody can look for drawdown. I swear, I'm the same way. I've been trading for like 4-5 years now, and I'm still the same way. Because it's just a mental. We all humans. Like, if we all can just eliminate our emotions, that would be perfect. You know what I'm saying? But it just happens. Like, I can look at it. Don't get me wrong. I can look at it. Don't get me wrong. I can look at it and not be like, oh, I got to get out. I can do that. But it's just like, I still hate looking at it. You know what I'm saying? I would still hate looking at it because it's just like, damn, yeah, you know. But I know my discipline is it used to be bad. Like, I'll see the drawdown, I'll exit out the trade quick. Or I start changing my bias. Like, oh, yeah, guys, you know what? Let's sell it. Like, nah, I'll just be like, hey, if it happens, down. It happened. But it is what it is. That's why we got to make sure we have proper risk management. That's why I am currently in this trade for a low lot size. With Henko trade, you know, 0.50, which is like a 0.01 with somebody that has like a 5K account. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just what it is. Oh, while we wait on that, whatever that's doing, let's see what this is doing. Yeah, UJ, we still waiting on some stuff, but yeah, we got something happening soon. We definitely got something happening soon. My stop loss, this is just temporary. This isn't an accurate stop loss. Oh, unless you're talking about Nasdaq. I mean, I've been explaining UJ all this time. I'm gonna explain it once it happens. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so with UJ, basically all I'm waiting on is to break out of this alert right here, which is this high. Once it breaks out this high, all I simply want to do is wait for it to pull back into this range that is about to form right now. So if we go back on a higher scale, for those that's new to this channel tapping in now, on a higher scale, all right, y'all, we just hit TP1 with Nasdaq. I am out. I ain't liking it right now. I'm out. Oh, never mind. Already took me out. Cool. I'm out. Little quick $72. Relationship. How you funny? Getting into a trade is like getting into a short-term relationship. It's a mental exhaustion. I feel that one. I felt that one. That was funny. I had to laugh with that one. That was funny, man. All right, y'all. So yeah, at this point, move this stop loss to break even if you want to keep riding this jump. But I'm more interested in coming to my extreme now. Just made 2K with that trade. Golly, y'all putting crazy lot sizes. If y'all made who mixes your music solo? I mix all my music. If y'all made money off this little trade, I guess, but go ahead and drop a fire emoji. You made $1. There you go. You out. Call it a quiz. Right now, Nasdaq is like, yeah, you know, one of those. So yeah. On your leisure, shall we book? What you mean? I stream every day except for Fridays on YouTube because I tap into I will be tapping into the VIP doing that. I sometimes hate playing my music because every time I play it, they keep sending me a copyright, and I gotta always dispute it. It's so annoying. If anybody know a way for me to just let YouTube know, like, yo, this is my music, don't have to always hit me up with a strike. Alright, so we just broke out the high. Don't buy now. We're waiting on it to create this full range to see what's going on. Music question, I like that. You said you find your melody first or you ride on a beat. I do both. I honestly look for the melody and ride with the beat. Yo, you keep asking shall we book Nas. At this point, just ride this trade risk free because I'm not. The reason why I don't feel confident in Nasdaq right now is because I still wanted to tap up further up. So this trade in the first place was a forced trade. Not even gonna lie to y'all. But forcing it still with my strategy. I didn't go out my strategy. I just want y'all to know I did not go out my strategy. Y'all gonna be like, oh, you went on strategy? Nah, I did not go out my strategy. I think somebody said something about waiting for GU to pull back since it's left my supply level and broke the low. Oh, I see what you're saying. Are you talking about this right here? Yeah, I feel you. Oh, this is not GU. This is GJ. Okay, yeah, for sure. That would make sense. Why, if you're that good, you only use a 5K account? You can make more money if you use 20K, 40K. I'm about to explain some fire gems right now. I'm about to drop some fire gems. I'm glad you said this because I know there's other people that think the same. So look, one thing about trading, guys, is that if you coming in trading right away trying to get rich quick, I promise you will fail. 99% of the time you will fail. Why is that? Because simply you're too focused on, I need this money, I need this money, I need this money, I need this money, I need this money. So therefore you're forcing yourself in trades that don't exist. So for me, I have multiple streams of income. So I'm not going to put 30K. I could put 30K, 20K in the account, but I know ultimately there's no different from a 20K account than a 5K account. The only difference is the amount of money that's coming in and out, or really the amount of money that's going out, hopefully, if you cash out. But for me, I know I can turn in $5,000 to 20K and whenever I feel like, or not necessarily like a time frame, but I know I can do it because it's possible. So I would rather put small money in the account, knowing that I can build my patience, build my discipline even more by doing that. And then from there, I can do whatever I want. And that's exactly what I got going on right now. So $4,000 in my account, now it's at $10,000. A lot of people can and can't do that. But it's not the skills, it's the mental. So at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you got in your account. It's about how much you can actually gain percentage wise. Because if y'all see right now, we are like 200, 300% or something like that. So if I had a 20K account, cool. I have a funded account, guys. I have two funded accounts. I have a 50K and a 10K account. Why do I not have a 100K account? Why do I not have a 200K account? I had a 100K account with FTMO and I lost it. I have a 10K account with iSpring and a 50K account with iSpring. So at the end of the day, it's not about the money part. It's about the percentages. And always look at it as far as percentages, because if you can turn $100 into $200, you can turn 100K into 200K. If you can turn $100 into $1,000, you can turn 100K into $1 million. What's different? Thank you. It's your psychology, your mental. So at the end of the day, it's not about how much money you got in the account. It's not about who got the biggest account as far as money wise, because I can put a $100 trader, only has $100 to the name, and I can put a 200K. Maybe you got somebody that got 200K, they deposit, somebody got 100K and somebody got 5K. It's not about the money. It's about the percentage. It's about the percentage. Size counts don't matter at all. It's like saying, oh, how big is your shoes? That's how we could determine how big is your, but that's not fact. That's inaccurate as hell. So I'm just telling you guys, at the end of the day, it's not about the money. It's about the percentage. I figured this out all thanks to LTMO. Crazy. I know I be thinking of the most dumbest stuff ever. It just be coming in my mind randomly. Somebody talking about my size 13. I appreciate it. Next week, get 100K views, streams. Where we at right now? That's what's up. All right, y'all. So UJ, yeah, is doing this thing right now. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. Dollar right now, I still see it dropping. I still see it dropping, y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm not getting in this trade because I still see it dropping. I still see dollar dropping to some of these levels down here. I mean, honestly, this is a level interest too, but we ain't really tap in there yet. I still see dollar dropping, y'all. This is false allegations right here. They trying to play us, y'all. Hold on. Yeah. Because literally all of this right here is like all interest. Yeah. I still see dollar dropping. They just try to play us. They try to play me. It could go, but nah, I just want to see dollar drop further, so euro, USD, yen definitely could drop further too. Oh, is Nasdaq still going down? Or did it break? Oh, what you talking about? Now you just say Nasdaq skyrocketing. Hold on, Nasdaq looks like he's heading to the second level. Oh, I looked at that wrong. I thought you meant TP. Yeah, I told y'all this is my initial first. This is my initial first trade. I'm trying to tell y'all this is what I want right here. And now we can see it reacting. But it's about to be 11 o'clock, and I already know when it's this time. It's quiet. We always usually catch 2 W's. Or sorry, we usually catch 2 trades, and that's usually what we get, you know. How come you stopped trading Elliott wave and whack off? I never stopped, bro. I simplified it 20 times more. So like when I talk about the liquidity phase right here, like right here, when I talk about the liquidity phase thing, that's whack off. Basically, right here is the spring, and then I always talk about the range. Let it come into a midpoint. The midpoint is Elliott wave. That's wave 4. The extreme is wave 2. Once it taps in there, that's the test of whack off. You buy it. So I swear it's the same thing. I just made it simple. I came to that conclusion of simplifying it 20 times more.
I'm about to do it, but when you love something, you gotta set it free.
Set it free, set it free. You have a signal room. How much percent do you make per month on an average if risking 1%? I can just tell you my overall is usually a year. It's like 76%. That's like win ratio. But you're asking about like per trade. Do you make per month on an average if you're risking 1%? Yeah, man, that's a great. I gotta really like do my calculations. Honestly, I'm gonna just tell you this right now. Can I send y'all my playlist? I don't know, not right now. I would just tell you this right now. Just really understand what you want to risk. Like for me personally, I know my risk. I right now usually would do. When I started off with the account, I was doing 10 to 15% per risk. You said we had 3 wins. How we had 3 wins? I'm confused. What else did I trade I'm missing? You said we had 3 wins before DJ2, right? I think that's right. Performer DJ2. GU, GBP, NAS. GBP yen? I mean, yeah, you can call that as a win, but I'll be cheating if I do, because we was too focused. This was the trade that I wanted to get in, but it was too focused on this one. But I feel what you're saying, though. I appreciate that, but I'm going to stick with 2 for now, though. Can you draw out the Elliott wave you saw on NAS? Yeah, this is what I see. I see a bigger one. So this is 1, 2. Well, hold on. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yeah, okay. Yeah. That's the bigger wave that I see. This is the smaller one that I see. Also, there's another one inside of here, which is 5 waves inside here too. And that's the extreme off that one. Alright, y'all, give me 1 second. I'm about to go ahead and make some notes, put this in the community real fast. If y'all not tapped in the community, make sure y'all tapped in the community. I am not in Nasdaq right now. I needed to do this phase first. Take a low, create the low, breakout, and then boom. I appreciate y'all. This is the most likes we got off a stream while live. 500 likes. I appreciate everybody. I appreciate everybody for doing that. I appreciate that. Music hard. Appreciate that. All right, earn a living. I appreciate that. We could stop with the 500 likes though. I appreciate that. Everybody getting mad now. Do you trade synthetic indices? I do. Yeah. 2 wins in 30 minutes. Yeah, that's what happens when we scalp. Alex, I got it done. If you know, you ain't gotta worry about it. I know, right? I'm looking at the chat room. Y'all turn it up. You said GU stop. What we got for GU? Ah man, dollar. I just don't know what's up with dollar. But this right here though. What time is it? Okay. Fire strategy, sir. I appreciate it. This is what I'm gonna start doing. If y'all sending the same message 24/7, I'm about to just hide y'all from my channel, and that means y'all will not be able to see any of my videos ever again. So if y'all gonna keep that up, y'all will be out of my channel. I'm just letting y'all know that right now. I appreciate the love, but y'all just doing the most. We ain't gotta do it too much. People get it. I'll make an announcement. Like, damn, I don't know if y'all sending bots my way or something, but goodness gracious. All right, cool. So yeah, all right guys, so this is the markups that we have coming forth for today. So with dollar, I still wanted to tap down further. Damn, it's loud. I still wanted to tap down further to some of these levels down here, and then I would love to see it pull up from then. And then if that is the case, we can expect everything else to drop. Euro, gold, GU, yen would be different. Yen, I'm actually looking for it to tap up, or really not yen, sorry. GU, I'm looking for it to tap up into this extreme point right here. Right there. And I'm really looking for some sells down there. Otherwise, you know, if you want to keep scalping it, you can. But me personally, I'll wait on a bigger play because of the time zone or the trading sessions and all of that is about to be quiet hours. So, and then Nasdaq, we got to wait on the low to break. I will try to call out a signal in the Discord. As a signal in the Discord, but you got to first see what's up first. But guys, so this is what we got going on. Once again, like I said, I am in the midst of trying to work on an account and grow it while I'm trading live. But also, guys, we're doing a challenge up there. If you guys want to be a part of the challenge, you can. And then also another thing, guys, if you ever have any issues with the trading strategy or anything like that, there is an indicator that I am tapped into that I actually mentioned yesterday too. It's called Chart Prime. It's a fucking amazing indicator. I'm in the verge of working on something too, but this right here is beautiful because it literally helps guide you as far as the reaction of what you already see. So when I talk about an indicator, I swear I'm not big on indicators at all. Y'all know when we've been trading, I have not been using any indicators. So that's the proof for one there. But secondly, guys, like what I was saying, for those that's still having that upsy, do what I do. But if you're still feeling difficulties, use the indicator, right? Use the indicator and be like, all right, cool. Let's say we got in the short right here, right? Let's say that we wanted to sell it. And we were like, we already got everything in lined up and it's telling us possibly sell right now. That's where you guys want to be like, all right, cool. That's my extra confirmation. So definitely check it out. Chart Prime, that's what it is. That link is in the description as well. But other than that, NAS is dropping. Golly. It says forget. It says forget my breaker structure and pull back. It did it in a 30-second, but we gonna get it though. We are. It's creating this range right now, y'all. So no, don't be like, oh, I'm gonna sell it now, because that's not true. It's right there. That's the move that we want to wait on. Put an alert there. Like I said, this is something I'm gonna have to call out in the chat room. Do I place trades overnight? Like hold them overnight? No, not really. But I trade London session, which that's nighttime for me. Yeah, you do need the pro version for that. Oh no, you don't. No, you don't. You need the pro version for that. No, you don't. No, you don't. But guys, other than that, make sure you join that Discord, guys. Make sure you join the Discord, because like I said, I'm gonna be posting a lot of this stuff on there. Where I'm from Chicago. I'm from Detroit, but I live in Chicago area right now. What's my sleep schedule like? I sleep, man. I get sleep during nighttime. What's today? Thursday, Wednesday? Yeah, I get some rest. But all right, guys, I'm gonna sign out, man. I gotta handle some business. Once again, we will go live tomorrow, guys. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Once again, like always, subscribe if y'all haven't already, and I appreciate the likes. 500. This is the most we got so far. And yeah, guys, peace and love. Follow me on Instagram as well. I'll see you guys soon tomorrow. Everybody, take care.
Cause you want it, we want. You a pretty little mama. You know you ain't bad up. Stop your bad with the commas. You know how to protect it. She a savage. She a savage. Yeah, she a savage. She a savage. She a savage. Bags in the trunk, yeah, she riding. She smart in the street, she got some grade. Last time I checked, I was lacking. But this all changed when they knew when she in the game. She would move, it would never sign. She would work it for all the gain. She would work it, she would have brain. Yeah, you know how to target. Move like a sergeant, move like a target. But you mean as no harm.